Yo, sup everyone, I'm back from Vegas, I'm back from vacation. Let me tell you all about it. It was hot. I mean like very, very hot. I mean even hotter than the showgirls you see on the sidewalk. Well, maybe not that hot. Anyways, overall, I didn't really enjoy the trip. I mean, I've been there, I enjoyed it the first time I went there to Vegas. It's already my third time going to Vegas. I don't know why we keep going to Vegas. I don't really know why. But anyways, I just went there a third time so my dad can just come and see it. But I was just not excited for it because I already seen everything at Vegas. And but I think my favorite part was, you know, looking at the showgirls. I can never get bored of that. Like, let me tell you, those showgirls. Damn, you know, I might go Vegas next summer again. Anyways, we'll react to SMG4. Mario gets his PINGAS. I said PINGAS, not penis. Stuck in corridor. Yeah, they did one. SMG4 did one. Mario gets his, you know, stuck in a door. Now this one's a corridor. Imagine getting yours stuck in a door. Oh, dude, that would be excruciating pain. I would just want to die if that happened to me. Oh, like especially a corridor. Like I don't like even putting your fingers in a corridor and then slamming it. It would hurt. Imagine putting, you know, a little willy in there. Oh, just kill me now just thinking about it. Oh gosh. Ew, it would just probably like flop off like a fish or something. You know what? Never mind. I just remembered my little cousin watches my videos, so I should just, you know, not get into detail. Anyways, let's just get on with the video.
Hey guys, Medawana, the final season drops in a month.
It's been many
years. I do not care.
But we felt that it was so exciting. We dropped over an official milestone, and on top of all of that out now, go check it out.
We worked on it.
This is so nice. La la la. La la.
Hey, this music I vibe with. Okay.
Here we go again.
Yeah, cause he did the previous one part. Yeah, I already said this already. Oh.
Listen, son. I know the temptation of getting sucked by a car is appealing, but you can't be doing that to such fine craftsmanship.
What? He used his head to break the window.
Activated.
Mamma mia! No!
Oh no. Oh gosh. Now you gotta walk with it. Oh no.
Yo, what's up? Help me! Help!
Oh, Rocket 2, okay. Oh, you're just making it worse! Oh, cause Lucky 2, you know, in Mario Kart, if you fall off the stage, Lucky 2 picks you up and puts you back on there. Yeah, okay, so Lucky 2, I don't think he means that kind of help.
You freaking jackass!
Hello, young lady. Spend some money for my crippling surgery debt?
No.
Okay,
Karen.
fine.
Oh! Okay. She survived?
Sweet.
Hey, Stinky!
Sorry, got it. You sound me stealing your car.
No, don't start it! Okay. Hey, strike. Oh, you have to get that last one. Grandpa? That's his grandpa? Okay.
Let's go!
Now he's gonna start shooting at you with this. Oh! Okay. Bro, why that look so badass when he used it? With a rocket launch, you're supposed to like use 2 hands. He literally poked out the window, just what's up, man? This just looked so badass when he did it.
Huh? Ugh, God damn it.
Box of memes. What you gonna help me with that? Kirby?
That's right, Kirby. You finally get to star in your own episode.
How's that gonna help? Ooh.
Here we go!
Oh, yeah, the card, Kirby's, what's it called? Kirby's Forgotten Land. Oh, gosh. There you go. Hey, yo, first of all, sorry for interrupting the video, but first of all, y'all better not say shit in the comment section for the way I drink my water, okay? I was dehydrated. I came back from Vegas, okay? It was very hot there. I was just very thirsty. I was dehydrated. I needed the water. Y'all better not say shit. I already know what y'all finna say in the comment section. Y'all better not do it. Y'all better not do it. If you guys do it, you'll be instantly blocked to watch me, bro. Better not say shit.
Ooh. Thank you, God.
The Dark Souls meme. Oh, he actually helped out. He's like, I got you, man. Bro, that looked like Jesus, to be honest.
Wheeler's paying his hospital debts, baby! Grandpa, you came to visit me?
No, he don't care about you. They took the wheelchair?
My bad on that one. Sorry about that.
How? His thing is in a car. Oh, he just brought it with him, okay.
What the hell are you smiling at?
Nan! 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 Nan!
Mamma mia! Oh!
Die Fräuleins of the Mittelschmerz! The healing is not as rewarding as the hurting.
I knew it.
Chris, you don't have to get new boobies just for me. You're cool the way you are.
Swang, you idiot. I told you it's just a health checkup.
Oh no.
Oh, he got it. Remember? Oh, yeah, he's getting flashbacks. Because it happened to him, too.
No, it can't be.
What the hell are you talking about?
Mario, please don't kill me. It's your girl.
Oh gosh, is he gonna help? He called emergency.
Now.
Everyone's out of the building. There it caused another alien apocalypse.
All units coming. We have a gold chode. I repeat, a gold chode.
Chode? A code chode? This man said code chode. Okay, y'all are too young to know what a chode is. Dang, they barricaded the whole hospital.
Oh! Mamma mia!
What are you staring at?
Day of booby surgery went well.
What the f is going on?
Where there are wieners stuck indoors, they will come. Life forms from another planet here to harvest our Johnsons for their own weapons of mass destruction.
Yeah, the alien, I
Tell me
remember.
we can't save the world now.
So now they're guarding Mario.
Oh, oops, nearly forgot.
Oh, you gotta play the music in order for them to come. Okay. Yeah, this music so. Oh.
A weapon to surpass. Metal Gear.
Incoming!
They're gonna shoot doors right at our junk.
Bring it on.
Bye, bitch!
What are they gonna do? They're aiming at Mario. Oh, never mind. Wait.
What the f?
What?
You aliens aren't the only ones that studied the way of the door diggy.
Door diggy. I can't. Just the way he said it. So he put his on his own door on purpose and just okay. Oh, they're training for this.
We trained and trained, making sure that a repeat of last time would never happen again. We have more than just balls of steel now. We have goddamn balls of titanium. And now, we have the power.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Battle cry.
Okay, you might think this is weird. I think it's dope. Are they playing Nintendo Sports now?
15-30.
I knew it.
15-40. Great shot.
The big one. Pause on that.
Fuck, they are flying away.
No,
we did it, guys.
They're doing something.
Wait, what's that?
What is it?
Sweet baby Jesus.
Oh guys, is that the door to hell now?
It's going to crush us.
A door.
Blow that thing up.
Well, this is it. Was nice knowing you guys.
No, there's got to be something we can do. You started all of this. Think of something. My god. That's it.
What? Oh, in the car. Oh, in the car now?
You any brown boys.
Okay, listen. It's just music makes anything better, but just like this scenarios are so stupid. But with the music in the background, like dun 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 dun, dun it just makes it more hyped. That like I literally like now I'm like interested in what's gonna happen now. Hey, okay. Shit's like they're playing F-Zero now. Hey, okay. Hey, let's go. Kick their asses.
Mamma mia, tutto parliamo tutto gravato.
No, Mario. We did it.
Tutti detto. E tutte le cotto non sempre da chete.
Oh, let me help with that.
Wow, it's just to blow it off now. Okay. That was such a weird one. But to be honest, all their videos are weird. Anyways, that was it, guys. Always enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the video. Okay. Bye, everyone.